Hello guys, welcome to my channel iGame and Tech. Today I will show you how you can fix ping issue in every online game that you play like PUBG Mobile, Valorant or any other game like COD Mobile, Free Fire and other all games. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome just like that and type 1.1.1.1. then you will see this page and you need to download this for your operating system, whatever you have, or if you play on mobile phone then you need to go to Play Store and download the same. So I have downloaded for my desktop here. This is the application. Then you need to open the application and set here this one or this one and click connect, and by doing this your ping will get stable or even make it low. So I am opening my game Valorant. Check if this fixes my ping. Let's try.
One enemy remaining. Be quiet.
At least ping is stable, bro. Yeah.
Keep up.
Cutting through. Here. Decoy. Killed that.
अब मोर से ये में होली.
Last round in the half.
Time to jump. Here.
Kill my allies.
Last player standing.
-140 यार.
अबे क्या खेलता है पाजे?
Switching sides.
Don't get blood on that jacket.
No.
I may have Jasper.
Be quiet. No prisoner.
Decoy. Here.
खुद को ही ब्लाइंड कर दिया मैं.
Here.
Spike planted. Clutch. If I act superior, it's because I am.
Kachara aim by
Match point.
Olive.
One last fight, everyone. We can do it.
Reloading.
I'll cut through.
Player standing.
Oh.
This is nothing. Oh, was that important?
Defenders win.
Was that supposed to be a fight?
So if this was helpful, do subscribe to my channel and share. Thanks for watching this video.